how to enable dark mode on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable it easy and quick. First open VK and then click hub and click these three lines here and click settings, and on Theory here click appearance, and here we'll find dark, and that's it. Now go back and now just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.